So this is a 2017 Toyota Highlander, and I want to show you the location of the engine number. In case you have this vehicle and you're struggling to locate the engine number, just watch this video to the end and you'll get that problem sorted. So see, Highlander Toyota 2017 model, right? Come with me to the front. Okay, this vehicle is accidented and it's at the workshop. We're trying to get it fixed. So when you're trying to locate this engine number, come to the front, go straight to the battery. While at the battery, you just go beneath the battery, follow this location, and go. You can use your phone if you want, or you need a touch. Alright, so just behind the fan is the engine sitting. You can see the engine sitting, and just by the engine sitting you find the engine number. So that's the location for the engine number. It's seated just between the engine and the gearbox, behind the fan, behind the electric fan, and beside the engine seating, the front engine mounts. So that's the location for this 2017 Toyota Highlander engine number.